We're on the brake too hard. We're sliding around now. Oh, we're gonna die! Welcome back, boys and girls, to MCL. Today we have a special guest, my daughter, Sidley, and she is 16, learning how to drive. So we are going to teach her how to change an imaginary flat tire today.
An imaginary one? I thought we were actually gonna.
No, we're not taking the air out of the tire, goofball.
Oh, okay.
Ah, there's a flat tire. Oh no,
Brakes,
what do we do?
brakes, I'm
Brakes.
pressing the
No, don't
brakes.
hammer on the brake too hard. We're sliding around now. Oh, we're gonna die. Okay.
We're in park.
Oh, now we're in park?
Yeah.
Are we on the side of the road?
Yeah.
Away from traffic?
Yeah.
What if you're by traffic? What if
Then
you're on
you
the
go.
interstate and cars are flying by you?
Then you cry.
Okay, Sidley, what's the first thing?
You're already recording.
Okay, Sidley,
What?
you're out of the car and there's
I'm out of
cars
the car.
flying by you on the interstate. What's the first thing you do?
Well,
Quick.
I don't know.
Maybe get the tire out.
Is it in? It's
Okay.
not in there.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't know what.
Okay, open that up. Oh, look at there, you did that. Oh, look at all this junk. Look at all this junk in here.
That's yours.
Yeah, but this is what happens when you're on the side of the road. When you're traveling somewhere, you have all kinds of junk in the trunk. And now you gotta pile it out here
Great
somewhere.
rhyming.
What I'm saying is you have to pile it all out here.
You
that
figure
it?
it out?
Yeah. So you want me to do the heavy stuff?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to lift that.
Here.
My hands are dirty.
I know. That's what happens when you change a tire.
Wait, how do I get it out? What do I do?
Well, figure it out.
What do you mean?
Oh, look at there. See, you got it.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, again, this is what happens when you're got a flat tire on the side of the road.
I'm not gonna be able to lift this.
All right, hold on a second. All right, you gotta spin that off. Nope, just see the thing in the middle? There you go, yeah, spin that off. Pull that tire out of there.
I can't lift it.
Yeah, you can.
No,
You
I
can do
can't.
it. There you go.
No, I actually can't.
You
I can't.
kidding me right now, girl?
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, now what?
Now roll it on over here. Just lay it down on the ground. Where's the jack?
This?
That's not a jack.
I don't know what
that's
that
a
is.
bolt, sweetheart, right here.
What? This?
That's a jack. Get that out.
Okay.
I guess that'll work too.
I'm gonna do it one-handed.
Maybe if you didn't have these big Bronx
Shut
nails on.
up!
The big Bronx nails.
I can't.
Figure it out, man.
I can't do it. It's stuck.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. All
I can't do it.
right, here. Take this.
How did you do it that
So
easily?
hard. I think I broke my fingers trying to get that off. All right, so we got this. Here, you need this piece. Which one's the bottom? Here?
No.
Here.
No.
Here.
No.
Here.
No.
Here. Here. Here.
The
here.
one, yeah, that
Oh,
one.
Okay. Then you flip this out. Hopefully this fits. And it does. It's your wrench. So where do you think this is gonna go?
Under the car.
Under the car. Okay, so then you have to get this down to make sure it fits under the car. There's a metal along here. It's gonna go right there. See this? It's gonna fit right inside that. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll get it just a little bit tight.
I can't.
Oh, no, just go back. You gotta loosen all of them first. Don't take it all the way off.
What do you mean?
No, take the wrench out. There you go. No, go to, you always go, when there's 5 lug, you go this one, then go that one, that one, that one. Do a
Why?
crisscross pattern. That's how you put it back on too. Make sure it's all the way on. Push it all the way on. If that slips off, you're gonna bust your nails. Your Bronx nails.
Stop!
All right, push. Come on.
I can't do it.
Come on.
I can't do it.
All right, so now that they're all loose, are they all loose? Verify that they're all loose.
Yep.
No,
They're-
you can't
they're all
just,
loose.
you're just gonna touch it and it's gonna, put the wrench on there, make sure
What?
they're all loose. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go next one, go all 5.
This one next?
Yep. Okay.
Yep. Which one
Oh,
next?
that one.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, then what?
Then you gotta jack it up. So stick your wrench on that bolt there.
How do I do it?
Just gotta land, there you go. Go down. Now see that thing swivels. So swivel, no, the handle swivels towards you.
Oh, like this?
Yep.
Okay. Oh.
Does it? There you go. There, see? Look how fun this is on the side of the road with
This
cars.
is so fun.
Cars flying by you, semis are honking right now. There's a raccoon that's trying to crawl up your back and bite you in the ear. All kinds of stuff going on. Oh, you're going the wrong way though. All right, go the other way. Let's keep going. Go. Raccoon's eating your ear, hurry up.
Oh no, my ear.
There's vultures above you that are circling. They know you're not gonna make it.
Probably not.
You're not gonna make it.
2 hours later.
It's off the ground.
Can you move the tire? Are you sure it's off the ground?
Yeah.
All right, now take your wrench off. Now you
That
gotta take.
hurt.
Yep. Now you gotta take all the lugs off.
Yep.
Take all the lugs off of that wheel. Take all the lugs off of that wheel.
What does that mean? The bolts? These
Yes,
things?
those are lug nuts.
Okay. Which way am I going?
That way. So now you can put your wrench straight out and it'll be easier. There you go. There, now turn. There. Ah, look at that. Okay, now get that. How do you get that wheel off of there?
You pull it off.
Okay, try it. Try it.
No, that's wrong. You
No,
do
just
this
try it first. Just pull. 2 hands.
Pull?
Yep, 2 hands. Pull. Pull. Oh, look at there. You got lucky.
I'm not gonna be able to lift it. It's gonna smash my fingers.
Oh, there you go. Pull it off. There you go. Now roll her on over here to the side somewhere. Lay it down so it doesn't roll down into the ditch where the deer and the antelope play. All right. Next. Okay, are you ready for what's next?
I guess so.
All right. So this is supposed to go on there. But instead of just putting that on there and then having to take it back off again, we're going to pretend it's this.
That's nice.
So go ahead and put that back on. Oh, remember, cars are whizzing by.
Okay.
Oh, you got to line up the holes with the studs that are sticking out.
I
So,
can't even lift it.
oh, for crying.
Stop judging my weakness.
Come on, weakling. You got to get home.
Or I could just live here forever.
Yeah, on the side of the interstate
Yeah.
with the raccoon.
Yeah, he's my friend now.
Yeah, is
Yeah.
he? And the vultures.
Yep,
Okay.
they're also friends.
All
They're,
right.
they're actually my neighbors.
Well, your friends are going to eat you soon because you're going to die of starvation out here.
I can't do
Oh,
They're lined up, but I can't figure out how to get them.
If you grunt and moan and whine and cry, that sometimes helps. I can't do it, Daddy. Oh, here she goes.
I can't lift
Here
it.
she goes.
No, I
Come on,
actually
muscles. Come on. All right, let's switch.
Wait, I almost got it.
No, all right. Hey, you did it! That's okay. Quick, get a lug nut out, or get a lug. There you go, lug nut. Put that on there before it falls off. Just get it on a couple threads.
Which way do I turn?
You're going the right way. Maybe. No, I'm kidding. You're going the right way. Just come on, get it on there before the wheel falls off. Wheel's gonna fall off.
I got it. No.
Push. Hey,
What?
take your foot and push on the bottom of the wheel.
I did do that.
There. Now put it on. There you go. Turn. If you didn't have those big nails in the way.
Shush.
Big nails.
I'm doing just fine.
All right. Now I'll do the last three. You always want to get everything started before you start tightening stuff down. You understand what I'm saying?
Yep, I got it. Hello?
Okay. Now get your gizzy right
Got the
there.
gizzy.
Put your gizzy on there.
Now can I tighten them one at a time?
Yeah, just go all the way until it's actually go down one. No, go down to your bottom one. Yeah, there you go. That'll work. You see how the wheel's all crooked? You gotta get it.
Yeah.
You gotta get it set. You just failed.
What do you mean?
Should have went to that one.
Oh, I forgot. Okay.
Okay, I'll go to which one would be the next one?
This one?
Yes. That's why you want to make sure that wrench is all the way on so it doesn't slip off. Push as hard as you can. Push! Alright, go to the next one. Go. Alright, go to the next one. Go. There you push down.
Okay.
Oh, see? Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's a lot of turning involved with this.
I know.
Which way do I go?
Oh, pull up. There you go. How's it going over there?
At this point,
Is
I
it
should
fun?
just live with the animals.
Just live with the animal.
Yeah.
You just ditch the car into the, the ditch
I'm
down
one
there.
with the wilderness now.
You're one with the wilderness. You can't change a tire, but you're gonna live with critters in the woods, huh?
Yeah.
How are you gonna do it? Let's talk about that. How do you know how to build a fire?
Yes.
Are you gonna eat your friends?
No, why would I do that?
Then what are you gonna eat?
Berries.
Berries. Do you know what kind of berries you're gonna eat?
Non-poisonous ones.
Non-poisonous. Oh, yeah. What do those look like?
The yummy ones.
Oh yeah, the yummy ones. You're dead. Dead. Find your carcass laying out in the woods. All right, is the tire? How far is the tire down? Is it on the ground?
Yeah.
All right, put your wrench back on there once and see if you can tighten those more. Up on the lugs,
Again.
Yeah, they're not. Those are definitely nowhere near being tight enough. So what you need to do is stand up. No, you can't. Don't pull. Stand up and go like this. Stand like this, and push down.
I'm gonna hit my hand.
Okay, I'll go to which one would be the next one.
This one?
Yes. That's why you want to make sure that wrench is all the way on so it doesn't slip off. Push as hard as you can. Push! Alright, go to the next one.
Like this.
Yes. See the car going down?
1 eternity later.
5-minute job taking 2 hours,
It's not. It has not been 2 hours.
Turn near.
Now we put everything back.
Yes. Do you remember how it came out? Do you remember how it came out?
Not
Certainly?
really.
All right. Well, let's try to figure that out. Chop chop. You got a whole
taking my
you have a
sweet
whole
time.
herd of animals in the field
They're my
staring at you right
friends.
now. They're not your friends. You're gonna
Yes,
have to
they
eat them
are.
later when you live in the woods, like you were talking about. Oh,
I'm
that
not
doesn't
gonna
fit. So what do
eat
you gotta
my
do?
friends.
That doesn't fit. So what do you
I
gotta do?
don't-
Do you remember how it was in there?
How do I do it?
Well, for crying. Remember, it was open way up. Oh, look at that.
Okay, next.
Okay, center that up in there. Yeah, see the hole? Oh, there you go. Perfect. All right.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. See, I can do it. Remember,
I actually
remember,
can't.
like I said earlier, if you cry and whine a lot, then it helps you. It gives you strength. Like that.
That's what you sound like constantly.
Try it, it'll work. Watch,
I'm
try it.
I'm not doing that.
Yep, see? I'll do it for you. Ready? Ready? Come on.
You're gonna make me laugh and then
No.
I can definitely not do it.
Okay, I won't do it. I didn't do it. Go, you're so close. Just roll it on in there now. Oh, look at that. All right. Okay. Now what are we missing?
The cover.
Da, 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 da. Let's walk towards the front of the car and see what we can find. Come on.
What?
You can't just leave tools on the side of the interstate.
Why
Hey,
didn't take those out?
right there,
Ah.
girl. Right there.
Ah.
Crying out loud. There you go. You can see the shape of it in there. There you go. Flop it on in. All right. Oh, it's full of leaves. Wipe the leaves off, please. Why did you put in the leaves, girl? Come on, girl. Wipe them off. Wait, wait, wait. Jeez. All right. Flap it in. There you go. Go on. Go on.
Ow, that hurt my foot.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Hey, we made it. Now I get to put all this garbage back in. Well, it's been a week. The wheel's still on, so that's a plus. Do the whole like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Share this with everyone that you know. Maybe you have a daughter that has big Bronx nails. She might want to watch this. Learn how to put a wheel and tire on, So yeah, like I said, share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now I got to get my daughter to help me finish the engine for my Mustang. We'll see. Maybe we'll make a video out of that. I don't know. We'll see. Thanks again.